explains everything, doesn't it?
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today we have got a Look Fantastic box. It's Mum's box that she pays for. How much is it?
£13.
And you do a year. You did a year subscription, which makes it cheaper. But I think it's 15 if you do it. Do you still get the magazine?
You don't get a magazine with this. You get the magazine with the one, the glossy box.
No, you don't.
I've never had a magazine.
You used to get L magazine.
No, that's with glossy box.
No, it's not.
No, I didn't.
I bet you £45,000 million it was Look Fantastic.
No,
it was.
No,
it was.
No,
it is.
Is it?
Yes.
I don't know.
Well,
you can see then.
No, I know there's not one in here now. It's, when they stopped doing that.
We haven't opened
because they haven't done them for a while, have they? It used to be this one. You used to get a magazine.
All right.
And it was £15 a month.
Well, they need to make it a bit cheaper if it hasn't got the magazine.
Yeah, I know. I don't know when they stopped doing that. I'll have to look back on videos to see when they stopped doing the. It was. I'm sure it was L magazine, like a little travel one.
It was. Yeah, it was about that big, and I used to give it to Patricia.
Yeah. With Look Fantastic.
I don't know what it was with.
It was.
All right, I believe you.
So, before anyone asks, Mum's Lippy is Makeup Academy, and it's called
First Class. Well,
mine is Fenty, and it's called Dragon Mummy.
That's very apt as well.
Because I keep getting comments asking what makeup is in videos, so I just say
Dragon Mummy.
Yeah, Dragon Mammy. Oh, look, it matches my lippy. Doesn't it?
That's exactly the same
Literally
colour.
matches my lipstick. Look.
Exactly the same colour.
I love it.
Match mine.
No, you clash. You stay over there.
I'll stay over here.
So, right. Let's have a look. So you get a little tell you what to do about it.
Right.
So
this is where I come in,
radiate positivity and feel lit from within this August with a little help from our Radiance Edition beauty box filled with 6 products specially curated to help you shine. In this month's beauty box edit, we're bringing you an exclusive interview with Caudaly's founder. Plus, get to know more about the blah blah blah. We don't care.
What's in the box?
What's in the box?
I'm going to take this.
My glasses are so reflective. Just like peeling it.
They're very gently done. Oh, we've got
so
some
pretty. Look,
very nice,
so pretty.
Pink stuff. Right, let's dive in then. Right, here we go. First thing is I
know from the packaging it's Ico. It's a mascara.
Laser alert.
You got the waterproof.
A lash alert, not a laser alert. A lash alert.
Yeah.
And is it waterproof? Wake up and go. Mine is.
I don't know. Let's have a look. I know this is just Wake Up and Go. There's 2 different ones. There's Drama and Curl or Wake Up and Go. So have you got any mascara? You've got a little bit on. I've got loads on. Get long and voluminized lashes with the help of Ico mascara with a curved brush to coat each and every lash. No smudging, flaking or crumbling. And it's £10.
That costs £10?
Yeah, it's a mascara. Mascaras cost about £10.
Do they? Okay.
Shows how long ago you bought one.
Right.
Caudaly.
Next day we've got Caudaly, and it's Vino Perfect. Does that mean it's got wine in it?
Radiance Serum. A world's cult favourite for good reason. This Caudaly facial serum is packed full of something I can't pronounce.
Smells quite nice.
Oh, it does. And 62 times more effective than vitamin C. And it's scientifically proven to lighten dark spots in 4 weeks. So
I don't think you can see that.
You will be able to. You just have to. The camera's just crap, and it's so bright in here. You just have to give it a second to try and
focus.
Yeah, because it's just so bright.
It doesn't want to play.
There you go.
Is it?
Sort of doing it. It's just ridiculously bright in here, so you can't. There you go.
Better.
It's focusing on your face.
Doesn't like our faces, does it?
No, it's just focusing. The camera's not that good, so it just focuses on.
That's that one done.
That's nice. You will use that.
Right, the next one.
You will not use this.
Is this something you'll use?
This is blush, so I don't think I will. Don't open it. We can put it in a giveaway.
Okay.
Because neither of us. We're very pink, both of us.
Bella Pierre Cosmetics.
And this is a blush in amaretto. It looks like a really lovely colour. Creamy, non-comedonic. Just give me words I can't fucking say. What's that word? Comedogenic. And recommended by both makeup artists and dermatologists. This mineral blusher will bring you a health. Don't open it, I said. You can bring you a healthy flush of colour.
I've just opened
Look, it's a really pretty colour, but we are both very, very pink.
Yes.
So we don't use blusher.
We're healthy looking.
But yeah, that's nice. And Bella Pierre is a really nice brand, so.
Aha!
Ahava!
this is a
this
Dead
looks nice.
Sea water mineral body lotion.
That looks nice. Deeply hydrating. This is £8. Oh, the Cordially is £15.33. The blush is £15 and this is £8. Hydrating and fast absorbing, these Ahava body lotions work to soften and smooth your skin from head to toe. Filled with minerals and antioxidants, your body will feel revitalised and refreshed.
Well, there you go.
Does it smell good?
Yeah.
It smells. Sniff. Oh, it does. It smells really nice. There was 2 of them. There was a...
Oh, I got the...
Yeah, there's Dead Sea mineral body lotion. And then there's Dead Sea mineral body lotion, but this one says Sea Kiss. There's 2 different ones.
Oh right, it's got the sea in it as well.
Got the sea in it, yeah.
I've seen this before.
Oh, Percy and Reed. Wonder Balm, £8. A miracle primer for your hair. Use alone or before styling. So.
No, it's not going to work.
It will. It's just
your face up.
You just have to cover faces. The camera's just my camera is knackered.
I'm useless.
And it's no, you're not. It's my camera.
Yeah, it's done it now.
It's not really. It's just because it is so ridiculously bright in this room. But we can't film in the other room because there is 3 children and a Ben in there. So that's like a thing you use on your hair. Right, are you going to use that? I wouldn't use that.
I don't know. I might do. This next thing is a Mio.
Yeah, sun drenched body wash. And this is a delightful citrusy scent and subtle shimmer running throughout. Deeply hydrate your skin with this Mio body wash. Formulated with Indian fig. Oh, that smells lovely. It smells a bit like gin. Doesn't it?
You can drink it.
Formulated with Indian fig extract and monk's pepperberry to give you an instant soothing effect for both mind and body. That looks nice. Let's try now. Oh look, so it's not bright in here now. Quickly, while it's not bright, we can show everything. The sun has gone in for 10 seconds. There you go. You can see everything. Yay! And the blush.
There's one more. It's gone.
Get it, get it, get it! Yay! It's just the sun in here. There's nothing we can do about it. That looks nice. Yeah. So that is like, so that's a shower or bath.
Oh well, I'll use that.
Yeah, that's a lovely one. Smells really good. What do you think then?
Yeah, it's not bad. They're all quite reasonably good sizes, aren't they? For today.
Yeah. Sometimes
sometimes they're a bit Mickey Mouse, aren't they?
That's Birchbox though, isn't it?
What, Birchbox Mickey Mouse?
Do the little ones, don't they?
Yeah, no, this isn't too bad.
No.
And it's a nice box.
Yeah, it's a pretty box.
I mustn't.
Oh, and September sneak peek. Ooh, Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream is the sneak peek for September.
I'll put that back inside there then.
Happy with that?
Yeah, I think so. That's not a bad one.
It's a nice one.
Better one than some has been.
Yes.
Yeah, so I wouldn't pay the proper prices for them because you all know what I'm like. A bit of a miser, aren't I?
You do like a bargain, don't you?
I do like a bargain.
You can do the outro?
Yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up for Lucy and press the
bell.
What bell?
There's a bell, not on. I have to put it on.
Oh, alright, there's a bell apparently. Press that. Don't know what it does. What's it do?
Notifications. So if I upload a video, they'll get a notification.
Oh right, so you don't have to do the subscribe button.
Yes.
Is that another button? Or the
subscribe button means they're subscribed.
There's a subscribe button, a bell button, and a like button.
So hit them all.
Goodness me.
Takes like 4 seconds. Pew, 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 you're done.
Why don't they just do the one?
I don't know.
That'd be a lot easier, wouldn't it?
It would, wouldn't it? It would be much
anyway,
easier.
So that's
we'll
that.
Write to YouTube about that.
Yeah, there we go.
We're going to go and do Degusta box now.
Yeah, we'll do Degusta box now.
And eat some snacks.
Well, I don't know that I'll want to eat any snacks. Because they sometimes have things in there that I wouldn't go anywhere near.
Yeah.
But you know that, don't you? Yes. Right, okay then.
Thanks for watching. Bye.